Hi guys and welcome back to another video of the Funway Coding channel. My name is Shaurya Kelkar and today we'll be talking about Flutter game development. In this series of videos we'll be talking about creating a Flutter game using Flame and Flutter. So let's get started. So in the first video today we'll cover adding Flame to your Flutter project and creating a new Flame game class in your Flutter project. So let's get started. First, we'll look at adding Flame to your Flutter project. So for what you can do is go into pub.dev and you can search for the dependency known as Flame and then the package known as Flame, and then or you can just type this into your command line like terminal and say flutter pub add flame, which will automatically add Flame dependency to your Flutter project. Next, we'll get going with live coding time. Android Studio, we open it. We'll open. Okay, it's opening. Come on. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to create a new Flutter project and name it Flutter Flame Game. Yeah, and I'll create the project. You can do it you can use different IDs like Zap, IntelliJ, or Visual Studio Code, VS Code as well. So let me go into my project firstly. And now let me add the game dependency. So let me go and search for pub.dev and search for Flame. Here we are. We're going to installing and we'll add this dependency if you want to. I'll show you both ways. So if you do this, go into the bugspec.yaml file, and here we will add this dependency. Alright, here we are. And now I'll just do bubcat. And this will mean I've successfully added my Flutter Flame dependency to my Flutter project. Alternatively, you can just go and run the flutter pub add flame command line into your terminal, and this will also do the same thing. And then yeah, you can see flame has been added again. So now the first tick box of this cover of what will be covered has been covered today. So now we will work out how to create the game class. So first in the lib I'll create a separate folder known as game. It is better to manage these structure now and then do it after to become messy. So do it now today. It's a good habit. And then I'm gonna name the Dart file, which I'm gonna put my flame game class known as my game dot dart. Okay. Now I'll create a flame game class. So what I'll do is say as class my game extends the flame game. Yeah. If you're getting an error and this is not there, suppose, then that means flame game has the flame package has not been successfully added to your Flutter project. If this comes, if you got import and this comes perfectly, then it has been imported. Dependencies. Yeah. So this is your flame game class actually. So you've actually created a flame game class. So now what you want to do is connect this flame game class, this my game class, to your Flutter project. So how you do that? Let me tell you. So let me just remove the starter code. Now everything in Flutter is a widget, but in Flame, the Flame game class is not a widget. It's a game. So what I want to do is connect this game class to my Flutter widget tree, and by doing this, there's a widget known as game widget, which allows you to connect your Flame game to your Flutter widget tree. So I'll say widget for game widget, and then it's called a parameter called game. Just import this file, and then the game, and then give in the game class, which is my game, and then doing this. And this is how you've successfully created your Flame game class and then connect it to your Flutter project. I run this. Let me just think. And search it. Chrome web. The good thing about Flame is that you can connect it to your. You can create your games on all devices, which Flutter supports. You can create on Chrome web. You can create on the iOS, and you can create it on Android as well. You connect, and you just get a blank screen. Firstly, because there's nothing in our game. See, this is a blank screen. So right now you have successfully created your Flutter game class using the my game exchange flame lane game saying like text saying here. So this means that we have successfully created game class, and then we have connected our game, so a game class, this my game class, to a Flutter project. So in the next videos we'll be talking about how to create a sprite, and a sprite means like an object, and this object meaning that it'll be a player, like a character. It could be like a wall, or it could be something like a player jumping up and down like Mario. So this is it for the first video in a Flutter game series. I hope you like this, and bye bye for now.